Tapos, yung vibe nun, ibang-iba siya sa vibe ng lahat.
As soon as I sat and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they within mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you out my mind. My oh my. Come and get it started, getting closer in the room.
Pero so napipil mo ba?
As soon as I sat and try to make myself alive.
So, in-imagine ko na pumasok ka sa room. As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, pinakita mo yung sarili mo. I see all of your eyes. They glued in my.
It's very me.
They glued in my.
Pero okay ako dun sa ano, sa idea no. I mean sa lyrics naman. That's ito for ma.
Can you read the room? Can you do, yun na ito. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? Nasa yun na.
Pero kung gusto mo yung chorus, pwede ko habaan yung pre-chorus. Para magiging hatid dyan.
Tapos siguro transition dito.